Hello everybody, today we will talk about successive rows calculation. Successive rows is a data set where the rows are sorted sequentially based on a key factor. Last time we created a table for employees payroll and we entered some data. Today I'll select one employee of this table and here is the data for him. This is the ID, this is the identity column of the table that cannot have a duplicate, and this is the employee ID used as the entity identifier, and this identify the month from the payroll date and identifying whether the salary was paid or not. For this employee I have 12 records. The ID column here looks fine, looks very sorted. It happened like that because this is the way the data was entered, and this cannot be used to sequence my records using this, just simply because if I deleted this row, which is number 6 at end of December, and insert it again, now it is number 6, but if I delete it, here it's gone. I have 5 and 7. If I insert it again, see what happened. Now it's inserted with number 121, which was the next identity value defined for this column. Now we cannot rely on this ID column to sequence the data set on the same order that we want. So what to do now? We will use a function called row number. Here it is, over in brackets order by employee ID and payroll date, and I will give it a name like a row number or row sequence, whatever. We will run this query and here the row number comes exactly in the same order I want. For example, if we have a request to calculate the salary difference among all these months, what is the salary difference from August to July and from September to August and all the way down? We will use two drive tables, inner join them by shifting one of them one row down. Here is the first drive table. I will take all the columns and the row number as we order by employee ID and payroll date, and I will call that T1, and the exact same table I will call it T2. I will inner join them on the employee ID from both of them, and from T2 I will take the row number equal to T1 row number plus 1. So I am shifting T1 one row down in order to have all the data I want in one horizontal row, so I can make my calculation of the change. And the column I will select is the employee ID from T2 and payroll and the amount, and from T1 I will take the employee ID, payroll date and the amount, and here I will make the difference T2 amount minus T1 amount, and here I will select only one employee, and let us run that. Here it is. The first 3 columns came from T2 and the second 3 columns came from T1, and here is the difference. 3150 minus 3300, it is minus 150, and the next month same thing, and all the way down. If we change that to employee number 2, so also the calculation is being made, and we can disable this condition to bring everything for all the employees. Here it is. So we can use the row number to partition the data in order to make successive row calculation. I hope that was useful. Thank you very much. Please, if you like the video, subscribe and share it. It might be useful for somebody else. See you next time. حسام.
انت اللي لمعت النجوم بتبان في عينيك، انت اللي كل ما فيك بيقويك بيعليك، انت اللي عمره ما لحظة خاب، انت اكتشاف ومين يقدر عليك، انت احلى حاجة فيك. قولها